Wireless mics keep getting smaller and smarter. Today, I am unboxing and testing the Hollyland Lark A1, a budget-friendly, compact mic system for creators, vloggers, and smartphone shooters. Let's see if it's worth in 2025. Alright, inside the box you get a sleek charging case, 2 transmitters will built-in mics, 1 receiver USB-C and 1 lightning, windshields, USB-C cable, and user manual, and with a pouch. This thing looks like AirPods but for audio, and I'm loving the size. My first impressions? Super lightweight. The transmitter clips directly onto your shirt. No wires needed. No pairing. No menu diving. Just plug in the receiver and boom, it connects instantly. I'm testing this with my phone today using the USB-C version. It's perfect for reels, shorts, and mobile content. Okay, this audio you're hearing now is straight from the Lark A1. Let me know how it sounds. Is it clean? Any dropouts? This is the new Hollyland Lark A1.
Ganda to.
Okay.
Mura
So
to ba,
that's-
di ba? 19 lang.
Yes. It's cheaper compared for the Hollyland Lark.
Wala ko na ito. Pang ano lang daw, pang
And
iPhone.
Only
Type-C.
for mobile, you have a USB-C and
Lightning.
lightning. So we're using now the USB-C to the
Testing.
iPhone 15
Hello,
Pro Max.
bibila ko na ito.
And yeah, he
I
said
will
he
buy
buy
one piece of this. I need this for my
So-
retro vlog.
one transmitter or one microphone is with you, and the other one is
Yes.
with me. So
Yes,
yeah, this is the
sir.
sound quality of the Hollyland Lark A1. So again, it's only for mobile.
Jordan.
Yes, that's Jordan. It's only for iPhone
Sabi boy naman
14,
kamay.
15, 16, and USB-C and Lightning. Again, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark A1.
Available na to ba?
No, still not available at soon. It will available here in AB World. So, yan. You want to check the price and availability? Visit us here in abworld.com.
Ilan ang Jordan mo ba?
Again, guys, this is the Hollyland Lark A1. Shout out to Julius. So check the quality, check the design. What do you think of the design, Mr. Julius, of the new Hollyland Lark A1?
This is
Again?
This is small.
Smaller than the compare for the Magnet Lark M2S. Not Lark. Hollyland M2. M2 and M2S. This is a magnetic type, but again, this is only for smartphone. So if you are
vlogger or content creator using smartphone. So check this Hollyland Lark A1. Yan. Right, it's tiny and nice design. And also you have the noise cancellation. If you are in the green color or LED mode, meaning you are in the noise cancellation mode. Again, thank you, Julius.
And here's the test with some background noise. I've added the furry wind muff. Does it handle the wind and ambient sounds well?
Hello guys, so this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark A1, and I'm using this normal recording without noise reduction, but I'm using the windshield or the dead cat. So again guys, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark A1 to our smartphone, iPhone 15 Pro Max. So again, I'm using the USB-C. And again, for the last time, this is the sound quality of the Hollyland Lark A1.
Here's what I like so far. Compact and pocketable. No setup. True plug and play. Surprisingly clean audio. Great battery life via the case. But here's what to consider. No one device recording, no LCD screen. It's minimal, which some may or may not love. Final thoughts, the Lark A1 is solid choice for mobile creators in 2025. Great for content on to go, interviews, and even vlogs. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me, would you use this tiny mic for your content? And for a quick shot like this, I keep my essentials minimal, like my PUNCUBE Mech wallet. The slimmest wallet I've used, and yes, it goes everywhere with me. If you want to check the price and availability, you can visit our website www.abworld.com.
If you like our background music, check the audio. These platforms offer tons of background music and sound effects. Perfect for your video, if you are a content creator or filmmakers. Check the audio. They have these two cool AI, the Link Match and the Hands AI. Easy to use, and you will get the best music that's perfect for your content. If you want to avail the 70% off, please check the link on the description on this video and use my promo code to avail the 70% off on Audio Pro for 1 year. And if you are searching for a film emulation, check this Dehancer. They have a film emulation set that brings your photo and video film look and nostalgic effects.